Timothy may not have parted the Red Sea, or defeated a giant, or healed a man who couldn't walk, but he still had a story to tell. A unique, personal story that only Timothy could have. It works the same for us. I mean, we all have such different stories. Some of you live with both your parents, and some of you don't. Maybe you speak another language at home. Maybe you have 4 brothers and sisters, or none. Maybe your mom or your dad teaches you about God. Or maybe you hear about God from a friend or someone at church. Every single one of you has a unique story. And even if it doesn't feel like it, your story is amazing because Jesus has a plan for it. He can take every part of your story, even the hard things, and use them in ways you can't even imagine yet. So here's the one thing to remember. Jesus wants to use your story to make a difference. I wonder what I'd see if I took your photo. I bet it'd be pretty cool. Stop by sometime and we'll see what's unique about you.